Hello! It's been a while since I uploaded the Mega Man X Dash tutorial, and there are still many asking questions, saying it doesn't work how they wanted, and there are a lot of requests for different versions, even with pictures. Because I don't want to make a blueprint for every Dash request, I made a small challenge for myself. I made a list gathering all of those messages and created one Dash that covers everything, so you can pick what you want from it, and I can continue with other stuff next week. Just in case, this is not a Mega Man Dash in any way. This will be a horizontal dash, which when pressed, the player can't cancel it unless it reached its end or got damaged. It should show how they use the enable and disable input functions from the engine. When on an edge, it should keep going horizontally until it's over. Dashing backwards was also requested. When on air, it should have a cooldown to avoid spamming it on air. The actor should be able to dash down and uphill on a certain angle, while being on the ground. So here's what I got. I created 4 new variables. One boolean to check if the actor can dash, because of the cooldown at the end. Then 2 integers to adjust the length of the dash and the velocity, which being negative will lead to a backwards dash. After the input, it should check if it did not got hit, is not sliding, and if it can dash. Then we set the ground friction and the gravity scale to 0, and the can dash will be set to false. To avoid jumping higher and going in a horizontal direction, we stop the jump. Then we set the velocity from the forward vector, which should multiply with our variable. That's why a negative number should be a backwards dash. Then the inputs are disabled until this loop ends, which happens when the dash count integer reaches the dash length value, or the actor got damaged. Then we set the previous value for the friction, gravity and dash count, enable the input and check if the character is on air. If that's true, we add a small delay, which is the cooldown, to be able to dash again. After that, the can dash boolean is set to true again, and that's it. This is not something I would use for my game, but everyone has different tastes. I hope there was something useful for you. I'm planning to upload a new Unreal Engine 4 tutorial every weekend. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and spread the word. Thanks a lot and have a nice week.